Hello, I'm David Scott. I'm the Health, Safety and Operations Manager here at J.A. Jackson's in Preston. As part of our recent upgrade at the end of 2022, we were very keen to get involved with CDE's new SmartTech system. It's been online now for about 6 weeks and initial impressions are extremely positive. It's a reliable system. When we log on online, we get real-time data from the plant, accurate reporting of tonnages, and also it helps me to just see the health of the plant, so the day-to-day running, if the operator's struggling, there's little details that if you know what you're looking at, you can glean a heck of a lot of information from it. It's something that I just wouldn't be without now, having seen it. So anybody looking to upgrade or install a new plant, I would highly recommend the CDE SmartTech system.